all the weights on that side. I got a support hanging. I have over here a support hanging. I cut a piece of wood, and let me tell you, if you look at this right here, there's nothing supporting that whatsoever. I gotta go break that now. No support whatsoever. Not a single support. And that is rotted out. Ha ha, man. I got work to do up there that I can do later. This is going to come out later. And I got work over there to do later. I may even take this all out and change where my AC's at. Well, I wish I could continue on showing you more and more progress. But work's got to get done, and that's how it is. I'll see you on another episode to come. I didn't have to cut my board. It fit in. My problem now is, okay, over here, right about here, magic marker, no good. Right about here, right about here. The hardest one is here. I'm going to take a guess right there. Every shot I did, I was not spot on. So here I am, hoping that I can get those sirens to go away. I'm going to shoot right here. Right there, right there. See if I got it. Well, kind of in the hole. And where the hole needs to be at, I'm in the carpet. I'm just going to lock it down. I had to take the garage door, close it up, take it off the track. It's freed off the actual wood over here, so nothing's holding it. But if I come over here and I look at this, this thing is just going to come right off the wall. Cosmetics, it looks good. Physically, it's not. And that's why I caught it in time. Oh, wow, man, I did this in 15 minutes time before the Action 3 shut down. I got two supports, which I'm super happy with. I don't need it at the bottom. And that will hold it into place. And I had to cut down the 2x4x8 by like 3 types of cuts, 3 little notches. And I banged it in there. So now I'm happy. I had to take down the center support. And the rest is going to be easy. Throw a 10 by 2x4 up, take a little measurement, and I'm almost done. On my journey back to the hardware store, I cannot make L brackets because I don't have the lag bolts that are short enough. And I'd rather just go buy some L brackets that got a shorter hole, and I get the washers I need and lock them in. And that will secure my, wall. So I need to get some short lag bolts under 2 inches, and I need to get L brackets. Just got to do a little more work. But it's all done. Door opens and closes.